Mechanical toy videos are absolutely blowing up right now, pulling in millions of views across TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. In fact, this page alone is getting millions of views simply by posting these videos. And the best part? These are being created using completely free AI tools. Take a look at this sample video I created using the exact same workflow I'm about to show you. As you can see, the results look incredible, and the process is actually much easier than you might think. But before we jump in, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more AI tutorials just like this. Now, without further ado, let's get started. Welcome. First, open ChatGPT, then navigate over to Explore GPTs. In the search bar, search for Mechanical Toy Generator. Click on the first search result right here, and then click Start. Next, click Start the Generator. Within a few seconds, it will generate up to 10 ideas for you, where you just have to pick your favorites. Go through the list and pick the one you prefer. I think I'll go with number 5 right here. Wait, I think I'll go with number 9. Okay, number 9 is good, so I'll click Send. Within a few seconds, it is going to generate image prompts and video prompts. It's going to generate a whole lot of different types, so take your time to go through and find the one you prefer. I'll review the list and find my preferred option. I think I'll go with number 1. Now, what I have to do is copy the prompt for the first image and then head over to Flow by Google. Go to labs.google and start a new project. You have to make sure the image option is selected. I'll select that, and I'll paste the prompt right here. For this, we are going to use the Nano Banana model. Make sure you generate multiple options so that you have a few to choose from. So I'll go ahead and click Send right here. All right, the first image is done generating. You simply have to look through and find the one you prefer. I really like this second one right here. So what I have to do is click on these 3 dots and then click Add to Prompt. Then I'll go back to ChatGPT and get the prompt for the second image. The reason we add the first image to the prompt is so it serves as a reference image. This ensures visual consistency, giving us a seamless transformation for the final video. I'll input the second prompt here and hit Generate. All right, the second image is also done. What I have to do now is come back to ChatGPT one more time to grab the prompt for the video, which is right here, and return to Flow. Now we are going to toggle over to the video section. We're going to use our first image as the start frame and the second image as the end frame. I'll click to select the start frame. Wait, no, it's this one instead. Then I'll select the end frame right here. Next, I'll input our video prompt. You have the option to select VEO 3.1 Fast or Quality. I prefer the Quality setting. For the output, I'll just generate one version and click Send. Our video is finally done generating. Let's go ahead and preview it. Looks great! Take a look at some of the other examples I generated using this exact same method. And there you have it, guys. That is how you generate these viral mechanical toy videos for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. If you found this helpful, click the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.